So now, as a business owner, you might be thinking that what are the things you can automate in your business, right? And it is not right that now 50 to 60, even 70% things in your business are digital, right? And whatever things you have in a digital format in your business can be automated. Last time I was discussing with one of my friend and he told me that things in his business can't be automated. And when I asked what are the things he is dealing with, and he told registration process where he grabbed the data from customer and update all those documents manually for the name, date of birth, and all those other details. And after that, he submit somewhere for registration. And I told him that do you know you can easily extract data from PAN card, Aadhaar card, or whatever PDF or digital document you are using. And you can create all those documents automated. You don't have to do anything. And then I saw sign in his eyes. He started asking, really? Can I automate all these processes? And I told him, yes. And after that, he started working on his each and every process. What are the things he can automate in his business process? And he came with 50 process. And after that, we automated all those process. And now he's getting benefit. So it's not time to think that what are the things you can automate in your business. The things like, for example, let me share my screen. The things like the business process, whatever business process you are dealing with, where you are managing digital tools can be automated. All the notifications, all the follow-ups. And if you are having data all over the places and those are not synced, those are in a different softwares, can be synced using automation. And do you not think that your life will be more easier if you have your business process 60 to 70% automated and you can execute all those process with the minimum interaction of human, all those notifications, it will create accountability in your business because people can't give excuse that they forget to do follow. And also all the follow-ups. You will send automated emails, automated messages, personalized messages to your customer. And also data will be synced and you can get real-time reports on your text. So that is what you can automate in your business.